Welcome back to HealthSpark. Today, we're going to focus on something every fitness enthusiast and athlete needs to prioritize: recovery. If you're putting in the hard work to reach your fitness goals, rest and recovery are the secret ingredients to making those gains last. We'll go through key supplements, effective rest strategies, and recovery tips that help your body repair and strengthen. By prioritizing rest, you're actually setting yourself up for better results and avoiding burnout or injuries. Let's dive into these essential recovery practices and make your progress even stronger. First up, let's talk about why rest and recovery are critical. Every time you work out, you're creating tiny tears in your muscles. Your body needs time to repair these micro tears, which leads to stronger, more resilient muscles. Without proper recovery, your muscles can't heal properly, and over time, you risk overuse injuries and even mental fatigue. Rest days aren't a break from your routine, they are an important part of it. So, next time you're tempted to push through without a rest day, remember that the true growth happens during recovery. It's all about working smarter, not harder. One of the most popular and effective supplements for recovery is protein. After a workout, especially if you're focusing on strength, your muscles are primed to absorb protein, which is full of amino acids that support muscle repair. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein within an hour post-workout to jumpstart your muscle recovery. Protein shakes are a great option since they're quick and easy, but whole foods like lean meats, fish, and plant-based proteins like lentils and beans are just as effective. Consistent protein intake gives your muscles the building blocks they need to grow stronger and recover faster. BCAAs, or branched-chain amino acids, are another great supplement for recovery. These amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, are known for reducing muscle soreness and promoting quicker recovery. They're especially helpful if you're doing high-intensity workouts or endurance training. Sipping on a BCAA drink during or after your workout can help minimize the soreness that can come from a tough session. Studies show that BCAAs help reduce muscle damage, allowing you to bounce back faster. It's a simple addition that makes a big difference for anyone looking to minimize soreness and get back to training sooner. Next up is magnesium, a mineral that works wonders for muscle relaxation and sleep quality, two things that are key to recovery. Magnesium can help with reducing muscle cramps and improving relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep after an intense workout. Magnesium glycinate or citrate are especially effective forms, so consider taking a dose of 200 to 400 milligrams in the evening to aid in recovery. Getting quality sleep with the help of magnesium supports the body's natural repair processes. The next day, you'll wake up more refreshed and ready to tackle your workout goals with renewed energy. And speaking of sleep, it's perhaps the most crucial part of any recovery plan. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair, nutrient absorption, and immune function. For most people, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night is ideal. Consistent, quality sleep ensures that you're fully recharged. If you're struggling to fall asleep after a workout, try a calming bedtime routine, turn off screens, read a book, or practice deep breathing exercises. The better your sleep, the better your recovery, and ultimately, the better your performance during workouts. Finally, let's talk about hydration and electrolytes. Water is essential for nearly every bodily function, especially muscle repair and recovery. When you're dehydrated, your muscles are more prone to cramping and fatigue. Replenishing with water throughout the day, and adding electrolytes if you've had an intense workout, helps keep your muscles functioning properly. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are especially helpful after you've been sweating a lot. Coconut water, sports drinks, or electrolyte powders can be great options. Staying hydrated keeps your energy levels stable and helps you recover faster. And that wraps up our top tips for supplements and rest strategies to support your recovery. Remember, effective recovery is all about the right combination of nutrition, rest, and hydration. By making these tips a regular part of your routine, you'll build a stronger foundation, avoid burnout, and set yourself up for even greater progress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to HealthSpulk, and share it with a friend who could use a recovery boost. Thanks for watching, and remember, recover well to train well.